Hey friends, if you wish to download apps in laptop and PC on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Okay, so here's the thing. The best method and the safest method is to search for any application in the Windows search bar and download it from there. Okay, let's say that the application is ShareX. You can download it from its official website, but the better way to do it is to download and install it from the Microsoft Store unless there is an application which is not available here. For example, let's say Chrome. So Chrome is not available, so you can search for Chrome download in the browser and then scroll down and then go to the Chrome download page and click on download Chrome, and then you can install it. It is installing. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.